Hey guys, it's Charlotte. I just wanted to do a video on Apex stickers because I was browsing through their site yesterday and I saw a few things I liked and a few things I actually needed. So yeah, I checked out, bought them, and they came the very next day. So here is my little parcel, and it came with all the stickers and some really useful instructions because I didn't even think about how I would apply them. And it's really sweet. You can tell that they really care about your customer satisfaction because the whole back about it is just about how happy you were with it and everything. But yeah, so I got some wall stickers because I needed some wall stickers, and I got a few different sizes, a few different colours, and I also got a bunch of like other stickers I can put on my laptop, on my phone, or on my wall, basically wherever I want. So yeah, I got Sonic the Hedgehog and just a few other things that I liked and needed. And the thing that I was probably the most excited about is, and I'm sure a few of you have definitely will recognise this, Love Island water bottle. I absolutely love the water bottle. It looks just like the ones that they have in Love Island, and it just seems really like sturdy as well, super durable, and I love that there's a little handle that I can hold it from. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this, and I think I can probably put some little fruit infusions in this little pot here. So yeah, super excited for this. And now I am going to attempt to apply the wall sticker to my wall, so I will let you know how quick and easy it was to do. So guys, as you can see behind me, I have stuck my wall sticker on my wall and I absolutely love it. I actually can't believe how easy it was to apply, because I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw the instructions with 6 steps, I thought it was gonna be a bit complicated, but it's so simple. Literally all that you need is a credit card or something like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try sticking some things on my phone or my laptop and see if it's just as easy or if it's easier to do that. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I just finished putting some more stickers on my laptop, and it was even easier than the wall sticker, which is kind of unbelievable because the wall sticker was so easy to apply, but I guess it's just because it's a bigger sticker. But yeah, I absolutely love the wall sticker, I love the laptop stickers, and I think my favourite probably has to be the Love Island water bottle. I'm definitely going to be recommending this to all of my friends, and definitely Apex stickers to anyone who needs wall stickers or a Love Island water bottle, especially with summer coming up. But yeah, thank you so much Apex stickers, and I will definitely be using you again in the future. Bye!